Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today is day 2, look 2, and it's week 5. So we're going to be using the Juvias sPlaceTheDouce. I've said in, I think yesterday's Shop My Stash, that's already up on the channel now, so I'll link it, that I really wanted to play around with these two shades in particular. That is a really bright shade. I think I've only used it once, and I'd kind of like to do that on the lid and then all up into the crease and that over the top on the lid, just to see what it looks like, and maybe buff it out to make it not look as harsh with creme. Not 100% sure which way I'm going to go yet. I might change my mind because it is quite a bold colour, custard, that bright pink, that bright purple fuchsia shade, and I do have to go to the store, so let's see. But before we get into all that, I want to use the white chocolate shade from the Too Faced chocolate bar, just so I can use it and so we can make some more progress on the actual shade. And also I do like to use that cream ivory shade every time I use an eyeshadow, so I'm going to go and do that first. And as per usual, the battery's flashing. It would be nice just for once to come on camera and the battery not flash at me. Never mind. And not to drop anything. Okay, so it's going to be quite a simple look because we're only using a few shades. I'm going to start off with that custard shade first. So the bright fuchsia shade here. We're going to start off with that one first. I'm going to zoom in. And hopefully this won't turn out to be a complete hot mess. We're going in with a fluffy brush, so it should be that concentrated. And then I can just add more if I want to. I'm absolutely terrified of eyeshadows like this. I always think, is that going to make me look like I've got, you know, pink eye? It blends out quite well. Right, so I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll probably come back to add some more colour. And I always get more confident after I've done one eye. Like if the right eye turns out okay, then I go in probably a little bit heavier than normal on the left eye, and it ends up being a little bit more concentrated here. So then I've got to add more to the right eye, and you know how it goes, guys. Yeah, we'll go back into the right eye now and add more, because I don't mind it being a little bit more concentrated than that. If I would have gone in with a more dense brush, it would have looked probably crazy scary. And I need to get some in the crease. Okay, that should do. It's quite concentrated now. Or pigmented. I don't know why I'm saying concentrated. Right, and I feel to blend that out, let's see my colour switch, I'm going to go in with Creme. I really like Creme. It's such a beautiful shade. And you can see the dent there. That I've used that shade the most, probably from the mattes. So it's just a really nice soft pink. Just to smooth any harsh lines. Now I don't want to put that custard shade on the lash line as well, because I feel like it, for me, like this, me looking in the viewfinder already is looking a bit harsh, but that's just because I'm not used to it, and I feel like it would be overpowering if I put that shade on. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, I could go in with this green shade, but it is a shimmer. I feel like that one would look really nice. But yeah, let's just put the shimmer on the lid first. Confirm the right brush. Oh, it's here. Just take that off. Okay, so we're going in with Tarte all over the lid, and that kind of like defeats the purpose of me putting that. Right, so as I was saying, I know it defeats the purpose to put this Tarte shade all over the lid, but we still got it going into the crease, so the custard shade I mean, so it really is okay. This is the way I want it, and you can still see it underneath because the custard shade is such a vibrant shade. You're still able to see it. Kind of giving me unicorn vibes. I could just do one sheer layer of it, but I probably won't. I mean, this is me I'm talking about. Everything's got to be pigmented. That looks beautiful. Right, so now then we'll just spritz the brush. Just using the usual setting spray by Primark. Just because I don't like that one all over my face. So I want to get some use out of it. Yeah, you can see the purple underneath. I mean, this is a duochrome eyeshadow anyway, but it looks, because I've placed that purple shade underneath, it looks even more kind of duochrome in the mirror. I'll show you at the end like I always do. Oh, I've gone into the pink by mistake. That will not do. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my finger. So we're really putting a lot of pigment down today. I do love this Tarte shade, and it is looking really, really nice over that purple shade, which is good. I don't know why I keep saying purple. It's called custard, guys, which I'm sure you all know if you have that palette. Right, so now then I'm going to go in with macarons. This could be a huge mistake, this one here, because it's a shimmer, and if that gets in my eye, yeah, it won't be pleasant. That looks nice. My eyes are a bit watery, but it looks nice. Might get some strange looks in the store, but never mind. Right, for inner corner, I just don't know what to wear. I don't know whether to put tie back on the inner corner, whether to go in with puffs. I think puffs is just going to be too dark. Not really, we can try it. Otherwise I'd have to go in with this prime shade from the Charlotte Tilbury, and I don't really want to do that because it's not a Charlotte Tilbury video. Excuse me guys, my nose is watering. So I'm going to go in with puffs. It's a little bit deep for in the corner, but oh, it actually looks quite nice. Yeah, I think that goes, because obviously this is quite pink toned, this tart shade, so I feel like it goes. So now then, let's tie line and put some mascara on. Okay, so I'm just using this one as I do in every single video. I'll be using it until it's used up. It's part of Project Pan. So it's the Too Faced Love eyeliner in Perfect Black. Okay, that's that. Then we're going to go in with my mascara that I'm using at the moment, which is the Essence I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. And guys, if you watch my videos often, you know that I absolutely adore this at the moment. This mascara is better than some of the higher end mascaras that I've tried. It's just a really good mascara. And I think it was £3.80. I'll definitely buy this again. I've noticed though that Essence have so many mascaras that I want to try and kind of give reviews on. And I don't want to give this so many stars out of 10 or until I've actually used it. But as of now, it is just such a beautiful mascara, and I would recommend it, especially if you like length and volume. So yeah, that's that. Now let me just go and choose a lipstick. Right, so for today I feel like I just want to use this Ravishing one. It's simple, it's just a lip crayon, and it's by Tarte, and it's one of the Lip Surgeon's lip creams. So yeah, let's keep it simple today. It's just a really nice pink neutral shade. Yeah guys, so I really like it. I have loved the look that I've created with this palette. I'm really surprised, but yeah, it's really pretty, this palette. If you've not already tried it and you're looking for these kind of shades, I would highly recommend Juvia's Place. Now I got this from Beauty Bay when they were selling Juvia's Place eyeshadows. I don't think they're doing them anymore. I can't see any Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes on their websites. I feel like they're not selling them anymore. Obviously you can go to Juvia's Place, but with me living in the UK, I've decided not to go down that route, and I get all my Juvia's Place off a good seller on Depop. But yeah, it's a beautiful palette. This is the look. Definite unicorn vibes in the eyes. It's one way for me to be able to use that Tarte shade. I did get some mascara on the right eyelid though, so let's go over it with a little bit more. You can never have too much of the shade on your eye. This is kind of like Lazy Girls vibe to not cleaning it up properly. And there we have it. Right, so I'm going to love you and leave you now, guys, as it's Sunday and I've got to rush to my mum's for Sunday dinner. So this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and become part of our little fam over here. I would really appreciate it. And also I'd like to know what your favourite Juvia's Place palette is. I've only got 4 so far, so I've got the Douce, I've got the Zulu, I've got the Mini Magic, and I've just got the like mini violets. And I really enjoyed playing with the mini violets last week, so I'd like to know what your favourite is. Yeah, so I would really love to know what your favourite Juvia's Place palette is. I know there's a few that I want to get. Well, one in particular, which is the Wahala, the first one. There isn't really any other colour story. I really wanted the violets for the longest time, and I've got that now. So yeah, let me know you guys' favourites. I would really appreciate that. And until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.